Are you completely fed up with 7,000 different USB-A, USB-C chargers making a cluttered mess out of your desk? Check this out from Sabrent. I am sitting here in a weird position in my garage showing you the cluttered mess in my garage because this is a game changer. Has absolutely made everything much better here on this crazy desk where I test a lot of electronic equipment. So as you can see, all of the conventional plugs are full. I used to have an entire another strip to plug USB-A and USB-C cables in to charge the 10,000 things I have. Because as an example, we flew the drone yesterday. We have an action camera charging. We used the DJI action cameras yesterday. There's 3 dead batteries right there. The GoPro camera, 3 dead batteries here. All easily plugged in 2 seconds. Not only are they plugged in 2 seconds, I could see which ones are the most dead and drawing the most power. And I have actually found one dead cable once. I couldn't figure out why it wasn't charging right, and this told me instantly the cable wasn't drawing the power. If you're looking to instantly add 4 smart USB-Cs and 4 smart USB-As, that's 8 charging ports in one little case that's going to tell you what the status of things are while they're going on. This is an absolute no-brainer. I really use it. This is how it lives in my shop, and I love it. If you want to get it, there's a link here on the screen. There's another one down below. You cannot possibly go wrong with this. I will tell you, it was provided to me by them to use, but I've been using it for a full 6 months, and it is an absolute piece of my shop here for real. If I've added some value here, remember to like the video, follow the channel, and put in the comments, what the heck are you charging so many things with? For me, it's mostly action cameras, drones, all those kind of things. I always have them plugged in. Cell phones, everything is always plugged in. But I'm curious how you're gonna actually use this in your shop. Additionally, YouTube is showing you a video right here that they think you would find really interesting, and they're normally pretty right. So go check out my other video after you've purchased this for yourself. I hope this was helpful. I'll see you in the next video.